Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Netlify to GitHub Actions, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Netlify to GitHub Actions, begin by logging into your Netlify account. Navigate to the site you wish to connect to GitHub Actions. Locate the Site Settings option in the dashboard and click on it. In the Settings menu, find the Build and Deploy section. Scroll down to the Continuous Deployment subsection. Select the option for Edit Settings. Here, ensure that the Deploy subdirectory is set according to your project setup. Next, head over to your GitHub repository. Open the Settings tab in the repository. In the left sidebar, look for Secrets and Variables. Select Actions from the list. Click on the New Repository Secret button. For the secret name, enter Netlify_AUTH_token. You will need to retrieve your Netlify API token from your Netlify account. Go back to Netlify and navigate to your user settings. Locate the Applications section. Here, find Personal Access Tokens and click on New Access Token. Copy the generated token and return to your GitHub repository. Paste the token into the value field of the repository secret. Next, create another repository secret named Netlify_site_ID. You can find your site ID in the Site Settings dashboard under Site Information. Copy the site ID and paste it into the value field for this secret as well. Now, go back to your repository and create a new file in the .github/workflows directory. You can name this file deploy.yml. In the file, begin by defining the workflow name as deploy to Netlify. Set the trigger for the workflow to on, push. Define the branches you want the deployment to trigger on, typically main or master. Next, identify the steps of the workflow. Start with jobs followed by build. Add runs on Ubuntu latest to specify the environment. Then include a step for checkout. For the next step, use the Netlify/actions for deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.